Aloha everybody, Tracie here.
With Tita.
And Tita's gonna help us today with our hua'olelo. And she's gonna show us the different parts of our kalo plant, haloa. Let's start with the leaf, low.
Low.
Okay. Mahai.
Mahai.
Okay, one more time. Mahai.
Mahai.
And what is next? A'alo.
A'alo.
Oh, let me describe it to them. Let's start again. Okay.
Low. We need to know.
Okay. Low is the leaf.
Low.
All right. And next part is called the leaf sinus, or the top where it's like that heart shape part, and it's called mahai.
Mahai.
Okay, one more time because you're blocking the camera. Mahai.
Mahai.
Okay, one more time because you're blocking it with your camera. Go. Mahai.
Mahai.
Okay. Next part is called the a'alo, or the midriff and the veins.
A'alo.
Okay. And next part is called the pico.
Pico.
And the pico is the center part, the junction of the petiole and the blade on the upper surface. And we have a pico on our body. It's called the navel. It's the center part of us. So the kalo also has a pico. Okay. Next part is ka'elo. That's the edge at the bottom. Ka'elo.
Ka'elo.
Okay. Show them on the other side too. Ka'elo.
Redo that. Say it
Okay,
again.
one more time. Ka'elo.
Ka'elo.
Okay. And then the next part is the ha. That's the stalk. So the next part is the ha.
Oh. Say it again.
Ha.
Ha.
And next part is the lihi mawai. Or actually do the mawai. That's the sheath, the bottom part.
Mawai.
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 Okay. Cannot see because your hand is blocking the mawai, so they can't see it. Okay, one more time. Mawai.
Mawai.
The sheath. Mawai.
Mawai.
Yeah, so instead of having this way, use your other hand so they can see where you're pointing. Yes, mawai.
Mawai.
Okay. Okay, one more time because my phone went off. So mawai is called the petiole sheath. Mawai.
Mawai.
Okay. And the lihi mawai is the sheath edge. Lihi mawai.
Lihi mawai.
Okay. And the whole thing is called the petiole, or the leaf stalk, and that's the ha. And that's the part that gets replanted when we uproot it and we take off the kalo and we want to replant. We use the ha. And the last part is the au-luau, or mahola, the unexpanded rolled leaf blade. The au-luau.
Au-luau. Mahola.
Yeah. Au-luau. Mahola.
Aiole. Mahola.
Okay? So there's the different parts of our kalo plant. And the first leaf that grew when we started to plant it was this part right here. The first one. So show them that. That's the first lau that we planted. And then this one is the second one. And then the third one will be our au-luau, or our mahola. Okay? All right. Mahalo for watching. We'll see you.
Aloha.
Aloha.